How to download Bank Simulator. So basically, open a browser like Opera GX or Chrome or any browser that you have. Then search on the search bar Bank Simulator Steam. Then wait for it to load. And then you will see the first link right here. Just click this first link, and as you can see, it will redirect you directly to the game. So Bank Simulator is a realistic bank management game where you build, manage, and expand your financial empire. You can hire staff, approve loans, invest in bonds, handle customer accounts, and run marketing campaigns, all while navigating financial challenges. So if you want to download it, simply you need to get Steam first. Then after you get Steam, you need to buy the game, or you can add it to cart. So in pesos, it costs 485 pesos. So in some cases, they will have some discounts. So if you want to get the discounts, simply just wishlist the game and wait for the notifications on your emails. If you want to get the discounts on the game and if you want to get early access, then simply just buy the game directly. And that's how you can basically download Bank Simulator on iOS and Android.